welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle and we have some good deals going on this week depending on what you need. And if you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for joining us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have will be on Colgate Stain Fighter 4.2 ounces, Max Fresh or 2-in-1. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $3.99. Pick up two. The two will total $7.98. We received a 7 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to just 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Scope mouthwash. The toothpaste are included in this deal in case that's what you want, or the toothbrushes. You can pick up two of the Scope 1 liter mouthwash on sale for $4.99. Picking up two will total $9.98. We received two 3 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to these products that will drop it down to $3.98 and you get 5 back, making both free and $1.02 money maker. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, but that will be on select Kellogg cereal. They're on sale for $1.99, but the offer we have on Ibotta is not attaching to these boxes. This deal can be a good filler item if you have a 10 or 17 next purchase CRT, or you can just pick up one and pay just $1.99. The next deal is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy two get $5 back, and I'll show you two ways to do this, but it's a limit of one. The first option is to pick up two of the Maybelline Baby Lips, priced at $4.99 each. Picking up two will total $9.98. The mystery offer we received last week, if you sent yours to card or printed it, it's extended. And we also received the $3 digital coupon, which excludes Baby Lips. Using just the mystery offer, it will drop it down to $6.98 and you get 5 back, making this two just $1.98 or 99 cents each. For the second option, pick up the Maybelline concealer priced at $11.29 and pick up the Baby Lips priced at $4.99. These two will total $16.28. Use the $3 mystery offer from last week, the $3 digital coupon we received today, and 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The two CRTs and the coupon will drop it down to $7.28 and you get 5 back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $2.50 on the concealer. After the rebate, it will make these two free and 22 cents money maker. The next deal I have will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and it's on the deal of buy 3 get $10 back. Pick up 3 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. These 3 will total $17.37. Use the $5 mystery offer we received last week and use $3 coupon from today's savings set. The CRT and the coupons will drop it down to $3.37 and you get 10 back, making all 3 free and $6.63 money maker. The next deal I have will be on Garnier Facial Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $5 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the eye makeup removal pads. They are priced at $7.79. That means the second one will be $3.90. The two will total $11.69. We received a $3 digital coupon, and if you have a 2 off 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT added to this deal, with the coupon and the CRT, it will drop it down to $6.69 and you get 5 back. Then check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each. After the rebate, these two will be free and $2.31 money maker. The next deal is on any you buy Kotex. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the 16 count liners. They are priced at $1.49 each. That means the second one will be 75 cents. These two will total $2.24. Pay that and get $2 back, making both just 24 cents. Or 12 cents each. My next deal will be on classic or high endurance Old Spice deodorant. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy one, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up one, pay the $3.99 and you get $2 back, making it just $1.99. The next deodorant deal I have is Dove 24 Hours Invisible Solid Deodorant. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy one, you get $2 extra care box back. pick up one, pay the $3.99 and you get $2 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal will be the banana boat sunscreen. It's part of the spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up the key sunscreen stick priced at $9.29. To complete this deal, pick up the sensitive sunscreen spray priced at $11.49. These two will total $20.78. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a $3 hang tag that you can use for this deal. The coupons will drop you down to $13.78 and you get 10 back. That will make these two just $3.78 or $1.89 each. The next deal I have is buy two get $3 back on any Axe body wash or shower gel, limit of 1. You can pick up two of the fine fragrance Axe body wash priced at $8.49 each. These two will total $16.98. We received a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 3 back, making both just $7.98 or $3.99 each. Or if you want to go the cheaper route, you can pick up two of the regular body washes priced at $6.49 each. The two will total $12.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98 and you get $3 back, making both just $3.98 or $1.99 each. Another easy all digital deal you can do this week is the 6-pack Dove bar soap. They're on sale for $9.49, and when you buy one, you get $2 extra care box. Pick up one. We have a $2 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.49 and you get $2 back, making it just $5.49. The next deal I have is on Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash, the 18 ounce or 26 ounces. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. Pick up two of the 18 ounces body wash. The first one will be $8.29 and the second one will be $4.15. These two will total $13.05, and we have a $2 digital coupon that is attaching to this. In today's savings set, there is a BOGO coupon that will take off $6.99 max, but the coupon says when you buy a regular Dove body wash, then you get the men free. So I don't think that will work with this deal. Using just the $2 we have in our app, it will drop you down to $11.05 and you get $4 back, making both just $7.05 or $3.53 each. My next deal is on Nivea body wash. It's not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for buy one get one free, and the cheapest you can pick up in this deal will be the men's body wash priced at $6.29. Pick up two, pay just the $6.29 for both or $3.15 each. The next deal I have is on Gillette Shave Foam. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and they're part of the buy two get $4 back. Pick up two is priced at $3.89. That means the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. Pay that and get $4 back, making both just $1.84 or 92 cents each. The next deal I have is on Tresemme hair care. They're on the deal of buy three get $5 back, limit of 1. Pick up two 4.2 ounce hairspray priced at $6.49, and for the third item, pick up the 7.8 ounce hairspray priced at $8.69. These three will total $21.67. We received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and I have a 3 off 15 Tresemme hair care CRT that will drop it down to $13.67 and you get 5 back, and that will make these three just $8.67 or $2.89 each. The second option I have for this deal is to pick up 3 of the shampoo or conditioner, mix or match however way you like. They are priced at $7.29 each. These three will total $21.87. Use the 5 off 3 digital coupon we received on Sunday and add the 3 off 16 Tresemme CRT. The coupon and the CRT will drop you down to $13.87 and you get 5 back, making all three just $8.87 or $2.96 each. The next deal is on Garnier Whole Blend shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back, limit of 1. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. You can mix or match however way you like. They are priced at $6.29. Picking up 2 will total $12.58. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.58 and you get 4 back, making both just $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next deal is on Garnier Fruities. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back, limit of 1. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $4.99 each, and the 2 will total $9.98. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98, and you get 4 back, making both just $2.98 with $1.49 each. The last hair care deal I have in this video will be on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6, and you get 2 back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $1, limit of 1. After the rebate, these 2 will end up costing just $3 with $1.50 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $5 back, and the Scott Soft Roll Bar Tissue is part of this deal. It's on sale for $10.49. Pick up 2, and both will total $20.98. We have a $1 digital coupon for 1. The second one, you have to submit your receipt to Shopkick. Using just the $1 coupon we have in our app, it will drop it down to $19.98, and you get $5 back. Submit your receipt to Shopkick for $1 back, making these 2 just $13.98 or $6.99 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back, limit of 1 per week. My store do not have the Gain Flanks, that's why I'm showing the Gain detergent. But this deal will be better if your store have the Gain Flank, because we have a $3 digital coupon that will help. So I'm going to assume this is the Gain Flanks. Pick up 1, then pick up 1 of the Tide Pods on sale for $12.99. And the last item for this deal will be the 32 ounces Downy Infusion on sale for $6.99. These 3 will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Gain Flanks, and for the Downy, we have a $1 digital coupon. The 3 coupons will drop it down to $22.97, and you get $10 back, making all 3 just $12.97 or $4.32 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for all your support. I hope this is helpful, and I'll talk to you all next time.